Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll be sharing some information related to Google Classroom. So I guess you all must have heard about it because nowadays we are going through live sessions, live classes, and most of the schools are using this application, that is Google Classroom. Basically it is a free collaboration application that is used between a teacher and a learner. Its purpose is to facilitate paperless communication between a student and a teacher. So without wasting any more time, please do hit the bell icon so that you get subscribed to my channel and get all the further informations regarding my videos. So as always, our first step will be to search the application. There are two ways to do so. You can go to this 3x3 Google App Grid and you might find it here, but if you don't, then the other way is you have to search classroom.google.com and click on enter button. So as I already have my account on Google Classroom, so this will be the welcome screen of my page. So here, if you will be clicking on this plus sign, as I'm a student, so I can only join the class. I have to enter the class code to join the class that is sent to me by the teacher. And here, as you can see, there are 3 lines. When I'll be clicking on them, I'll be getting further some sub options. First will be classes, then calendar, then to do, then my class and settings. On clicking on classes, whenever I'll have any live session or class going on, I'll get an info over here. And if I'll be clicking on calendar, then this will be the page that will be shown in front of you. The main thing goes to do, classes and your class name. So in to do, here you will be getting an page where you will be getting the worksheets, your assignments or upcoming work, and when I'll be clicking on done, here will be the assignments or the work that I had already finished. Now going back to 9th B, my class, this will be the screen that will appear. Here in this page I can share something with my class, some information, or the teacher might send you some message regarding the classes and you can even reply. And here you can see the chats. Now I'll be clicking on this class work. Here also I can view the work that is going to be assigned to me. Another thing is Google Calendar that we have already viewed over here, and class drive folder. Here also there will be a collection of assignments that you will be getting. It will be stored over here. And if we talk about this people option, when I'll be clicking on this, I can see the name of the teachers and the students in this class. And then last but not the least, when I'll be clicking on settings, I'll get some options. So the first, as you can see, is profile. By clicking on change, I can select some profile photo instantly, from whether from my computer or my photos or webcam, by clicking right now. And some other options you can even turn off any of them or turn on according to your own convenience. If you want the comments on your post, comments that mention you, private comments on work. All these depends on you if you want them to be on or off. Then last comes is class notifications. Here you can on if you want the notification of your class, if your teacher has invited you for the class or there is some notification or any update regarding your classes, you will get a notification on your mobile phone or on your email. But if you are going to off this, then there will be no updates or notification that you will get. Now going back to class, here if you have just not made your account and you don't have an account on Google Classroom, so when you log in or sign up, in this plus option you will be getting two options, that will be join class or create class. So if you are a teacher, you have to click on create class. If you are a student, then you have to click on join class. So I guess that's all for today. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel and do write some comments regarding this application and suggest me some more videos if you want me to make video on some specific topic. And do like, share, comment to my YouTube channel, that is Grasping Grade. Thanks for watching.